Good morning, students. Today we will learn chemical reactions and equations. Before going to the chapter, I want to show something. I am taking a test tube and putting a little bit of vinegar in it. Vinegar, it is easily available in grocery shop. Vinegar, it is chemically diluted form of ethanoic acid or acetic acid. After putting vinegar in the test tube, now I am putting little bit of washing soda in the test tube. Do you observe any change? Do you have observed any change? Yes, the bubbles are coming in the test tube. Bubbles are forming in the test tube, which indicates some gas is forming in the test tube, and it is an indication of a chemical reaction. Next, dear students, I am putting a little bit of yellow powder on my palm, and now I am mixing this yellow powder by using some water. Is there any change in color? No change in color. Again I am putting the same yellow powder on the palm of my other hand, and again I am mixing it with few drops of water. Is there any color change? Yes, now it becomes red. So my dear students, these are all chemical reactions. These are all chemical reactions. So science, it is a very interesting subject, and it is a subject of learning by doing. In online classes, we have some limitations. I am not going to show you more experimental videos, but I assure you that I will explain the topic chemical reaction and equation So, my dear students, first of all, what is chemical reaction? By the result of chemical reaction, new substances are formed which have completely new set of chemical properties. In chemical reaction, rearrangement of atoms of reactants takes place to form product. Also, chemical reaction strictly obey the law of conservation of mass. Somebody may ask you, where chemical reaction takes place? Generally, students answered that chemical reaction takes place in chemical laboratory or chemistry laboratory. Yeah, chemical reaction takes place in chemistry laboratory. But chemical reaction also takes place inside our body, inside our home. That means chemical reaction takes place everywhere. That is, nature is the biggest laboratory. You have heard about photosynthesis. It is a process by which plant make their own food, and we animals and human being, we are also directly or indirectly dependent on plants for our food. So this is photosynthesis reaction. Carbon dioxide gas, water, sunlight, chlorophyll, glucose and oxygen. This is photosynthesis reaction. Leaf of the green plants, they absorb carbon dioxide, and in the presence of water, sunlight and chlorophyll, plant prepare their own food in the form of glucose, and oxygen gas is liberated as a byproduct. This is a chemical reaction, and this photosynthesis chemical reaction, it takes place in all green plants. You have heard about respiration. Respiration, it is a sign of life. See, this is respiratory reaction. Glucose is oxidized in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of respiratory enzymes. And carbon dioxide gas and water is formed as a byproduct. So these are chemical reaction. First one is photosynthesis reaction and second one is respiratory reaction. So my dear students, this chemical reaction takes place in entire nature. Now, what is chemical equations? Actually, chemical reaction is represented by a chemical equation. These are chemical equations where we use shorthand notation of elements and compounds. That is, chemical equation is the shorthand notation of a chemical reaction. Also, a chemical equation have two parts. This is the left hand side part of a chemical equation is called reactants, and the right hand side of a chemical equation is called products. In between reactants and products, there is an arrow which represents that reactant reacts to give product. So my dear students, a chemical equation is the shorthand notation of a chemical reaction which have two parts, reactants as well as product. In between reactants and products, there is an arrow which represent reactant reacts to give products.